BJP's major win just ahead of the Lok Sabha elections arrived in the Supreme Court's verdict today. The apex court upheld the Modi government's decision from 6 August 2019 to revoke Article 370, ruling that the decision was not made with any malicious intent. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justices Gavai and Surya Kant, wrote the judgment affirming that Article 370 was a temporary provision and that the President had the authority to revoke it. In its ruling, the court instructed the Election Commission to conduct elections in Jammu and Kashmir by September 2024 and mandated swift actions to restore statehood in the region. Additionally, the apex court confirmed the validity of the government's decision to create the Union Territory of Ladakh from Jammu and Kashmir in August 2019. The verdict comes after a 16-day hearing on a batch of petitions challenging the annulment of Article 370, with the court reserving its judgment on September 5. Chief Justice Chandrachud summarized the conclusions of the court regarding the Jammu-Kashmir matter, and let's go through some of the major key takeaways quickly. Number 1. Article 370 was intended as a temporary position. Number 2. Jammu and Kashmir lost any element of sovereignty after signing the instrument of accession, and there was no internal sovereignty retained for Jammu and Kashmir. Number 3. The Indian Constitution is the complete framework for constitutional governance. Number 4. Applying the Indian Constitution to Jammu and Kashmir rendered its constitution inoperative and redundant. The Parliament's legislative power for the state can't exclude the power to make laws. Number 5. When the Constituent Assembly dissolved, only its transitory power ceased to exist, and there was no restriction on presidential orders. Number 6. The President's use of power under CO 272 wasn't malicious, and no consent was necessary from the state to apply all Indian Constitution provisions to Jammu and Kashmir. Number 7. The continuous exercise of presidential power shows a gradual integration process, validating CO 273. Number 8. The presidential exercise of power wasn't malicious. Number 9. The decision to carve out the Union Territory of Ladakh was upheld based on Article 3A, and the court directed the Election Commission to conduct elections for Jammu and Kashmir legislative assemblies. Number 9. The restoration of statehood, except for the creation of the Union Territory of Ladakh, should occur promptly. This is Anagha Keshav for SoSouth.